Hello students, welcome to Maths class. Now we will do exercise 6A. Find the first 5 multiples of each of the following. So here we have to find the multiples of the number. We have to find first 5 multiples. So look here how to do this. 2. We have to find the multiples of 2. मल्टीपल्स क्या होता है, उस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 1 से, फिर 2 से, फिर 3 से, फिर 4 से. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. We have to write first 5 multiples 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Now we will do question B. 6. Multiples of 6 are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. First 5 multiples. Question G. Multiples of 15. Multiples of 15 are 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75. Now question I. 25. Now look here. 25. If you don't know the table of 25, what you will do? You will multiply. You know 25 1s is 25. What will be 25 2s are? 25 2s are 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. 25 2s are is 50. अब 25 3s का क्या होगा, आप मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लो अगर आपको टेबल लर्न नहीं है तो. 25 3s कोई भी बड़े नंबर हो और उसका ढूंढना हो तो आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 75. So 25 3s are 75. 25 4s are is 100. 25 4s are 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10. 25 4s are is 100 and 25 5s are is 125. So like this you have to do these questions. If you know the tables, you can write first 5 multiples, and if the number is bigger, you can multiply it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Answer the following in yes or no. So the first question is 48 is a multiple of 3. So for this question we will divide and we will check. क्या 48 3 की टेबल में आता है? We know the table till 3 10s are 30. उसके आगे भी होता है बट अपन को पता नहीं है. So what we will do? We will divide 48 divide by 3. 3 1s are 3 one time. We will subtract 4 minus 3 1. We will bring this 8 down. 3 6 are 18. Look here. The remainder is 0. This means it is a multiple of 3. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं होता, कुछ नंबर होता दूसरा, then the answer will be no. Okay. Next question. 72 is a multiple of 6. We will divide and we will check. 72 divide by 6. 6 1s are 6 one time. We will subtract 7 minus 6. 1 and 2. 6 2s are 12. The answer is 12. 12 times. मतलब 6 को 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 6 into 12. The answer is 72. And here the remainder is 0. This means it is a multiple of 6. Next question. 96 is a multiple of 6. 96 divide by 6. 6 1s are 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. We'll bring this 6 down. 6 6 are 36. The answer is 16. This means 6 को अगर हम 16 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तब आंसर 96 होता है. And the remainder is 0. This means it is a multiple of 6. 38 is a multiple of 4. You know the table of 4. You have to see the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. देखो 36 आता है और 40 आता है, 38 नहीं आता है, दिस मीन्स इट इज नॉट अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 4, मतलब 4 की टेबल में 38 नहीं आता है। 76 इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 8, 8 9 जा 72, 8 10 जा 80, 72 होता है, 80 आता है, बट 76 नहीं आता है, सो द आंसर इज नो। 100 इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 5, वी विल डिवाइड एंड चेक। 100 इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 5, 100 को 5 से डिवाइड करके चेक करेंगे। 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, bring the 0 down, 20, yes, 20. So 5 into 20 is 100. This means it is a multiple of 5. The answer is yes. Next question, say whether the following are true or false. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 are all multiples of 4. क्या 4 की टेबल में 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 आते हैं? No, false. ये 4 की टेबल में नहीं आते हैं. These are not multiple of 4. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 are all multiples of 3. क्या 3 की टेबल में ये सब आते हैं? 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 9, 3 4 12, 3 5 15. Yes, so the answer is true. 1 is a multiple of every number. इसका मतलब ये है क्या सारे जिसके भी हम मल्टीपल्स ढूंढते हैं उसमें क्या 1 होता है? No, 1 नहीं होता है. False. 1 is a multiple of every number. False. 5 is a multiple of 25. क्या 25 की टेबल में 5 आता है? False. मल्टीपल में नंबर छोटा नहीं हो सकता है. ओके, 25 की टेबल में 5 नहीं आ सकता है बिकॉज दिस इज स्मॉलर, 5 इज स्मॉलर. So the answer is false. So we have completed exercise 6A. Thank you.